This is the meaning, the full of thinking, exactly in tune, full of thinking, because in the head, full of thinking. The word of the welcome to my judging teacher singer, to my channel. Uh, mm. Just like and share and subscribe. Don't forget, because this is my trial to myself. What is my understanding to myself every time I growing up when I was a child? Because so many teacher, the internet, all that is the teacher. The internet, all that is the singer because of the mouth speaking. All that is judging because of the thinking using. The judging is about the thinking, but the teacher about the feeling, but the singer about the body present. You judging about the thinking, you teaching about the heart beating, you singing about the body. All teacher in the internet blogger, all singer in the internet blogger, all judging in the internet blogger. All that is the word of the university YouTuber. This is me. That is my channel, judging teacher singer. Discipline must good to the self. Do not wait to discipline the other people. Must good, you discipline yourself. From the thinking, heart beating, body, and the full image. Do not wait to discipline the other people. Must good, must discipline. And do not do the bad to the people. If you are accusing, the accusing, that is only the nonsense people acting